Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to make your character glow in Capcut. To get started, open Capcut on your PC and import the clip where you want to add the glow effect. Once you have the clip in your timeline, right-click on it and select Copy to duplicate it. Move this duplicate above the original clip in the timeline, creating an overlay layer. Now click on the overlay layer to edit it. Go to Adjustments and set the saturation to around 50 to make the colors more vibrant. Then increase the exposure to about 15 to give it a base glow. Next, go to Effects, select Video Effects and look for an effect called Edge Glow. Apply it to the overlay clip to create a soft glow around your character. Now, to fine-tune the color of the glow, go to Chroma Key and select the color you want to keep normal. This will make all the other colors glow. Adjust the intensity to about 50 to make the glow stand out and set the shadow level to 100 to create a stronger contrast. And that's it. You've now made your character glow in Capcut on PC. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tricks and tutorials.